Hello, my dear lovely viewers. Today we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic, which is overproof rums. Does anyone knows what is the full form of a rum? It is basically routine utility medicine. I recently came to know about a rum that is getting in airport duty free shop, especially in South Indian airports, and it is trending. The name of the rum is Taka Maka 69. As the name states, it is 69% VBAV. So what do we mean by this VBAV? It indicates the alcoholic by volume by volume. I would say it is worth for the money you spend on alcohols. Among the overproof rum, the taste-wise it is quite normal. The particular products come from Seychelles. Bernard Defoe and Ricard Defoe brothers are manufacturing and exporting it to other parts of the world. Now it is one of the biggest distillery in Seychelles, even if they started manufacturing only from 2002 onwards. The name, how it came is basically from Taka Maka, which is one of the popular bays in Seychelles. And also a particular tree in Seychelles is also having the name Taka Maka. According to the experts, it is better to have it with tropical fruit juices like pineapple or even coconut water rather than having it neat. Cheers to all my friends. We'll meet up with more interesting contents in upcoming videos. Until then, Kumar, the F&B trainer, signing off to bring more interesting contents on your screen. Thank you all. Have a nice day.